Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you want to feed those birds and not those squirrels. So I have a ton of squirrels in my yard, and I was looking for a great bird feeder that will basically be hard for them to get to the seed. And so as you can see here, this is a squirrel-proof bird feeder. Once you order it, it's gonna come completely pre-assembled. You don't have to do anything. You just have to take it out of the box, hang it up, and put that bird seed in. It does come with a little instruction sheet to tell you basically how to load it up. But as you can see here, it's got this nice little cable on here. So you can basically hang this up on a hook, whether you have a hook on the side of your house, whether you want to put this around a tree branch, or if you have one of those freestanding metal hooks, you can easily do that. The top part here does kind of slide up, so that way you have plenty of room to go ahead and put in the bird seed right there at the top. It's got an acrylic plastic part here that's gonna hold all the seed, and then the whole entire part here, the bird feeder itself, is made out of a nice powder-coated metal, so you don't have to worry about rusting or anything like that, which is great. But why is this squirrel-proof? So as you can see, when a bird lands here at the bottom, they are light enough to where they can go ahead and access the openings for the bird seed. However, when a squirrel lands, or any other animal, it's heavier, and so it slides down and then closes off. Now, I have noticed sometimes a couple squirrels will bounce on it and this will go swinging, so the more secure you can get it, the better, because when it goes swinging, it will spill some of that seed, but it seems to work very, very well. Now, to give you an idea of the size of this thing, it is about 16¼ inches in height, and it's about 5¼ inches in diameter when you have the little stands here. When you're wanting to store it, the little stands do fold up, so it stores nice and flat. You can put it on a shelf and all that great stuff. But overall, it is a nice little bird feeder. Like I said, it's all powder-coated metal, so it's not like cheap plastic that's gonna fall apart after one season. If you are in the market and you're looking for a great bird feeder to help keep away those squirrels, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.